In this video, I'm going to go over the concept of place value subtraction, which is part of the Common Core curriculum for lower elementary school. And you can use this video as an example on how to do it if you're a parent, if you're frustrated with helping with homework. I'd also like to hear from teachers. See how you feel about this. Do you think this is really helping, or is it actually hurting students? So I understand the concept of this, so that we're trying to teach them a visual way of doing things. So let's look at the first example here, 256 minus 211. So what we're going to do is we're going to represent 256, the number we're subtracting from, visually. So we're going to use two red squares to represent the 102 in the hundreds place. We're going to use 5 skinny blue rectangles to represent the tens place, and we're going to use 6 black circles to represent the ones value. So in the concept of place value subtraction, what we're going to do is we're going to subtract off the number from the shape that we have in each place value. So we're subtracting off 211, so we need to take 2 of the hundreds away. So what we're going to do is we're going to cross out 2 of the red squares, so we'll have none left. We have a 1 in the tens place of 211, so we're going to take away 1 of the tens. And then we also have 1 in the ones place, so we're going to take away 1 of the black circles. So that means we're going to wind up with the answer of, we're going to have 0 in the hundreds place, we're going to have 4 in the tens place, and we're going to have 5 in the ones place. So our answer would be 45. All right, the first example wasn't too bad. I think most young kids would be able to do that. But now let's try this, 256 minus 107. So again, we set up our 256 visually. And in this case here, the hundreds place we're subtracting now, there's a 1 in there. So that means that we're going to take away 1 of the red squares. And then there's a 0 in the tens place, so we're not going to subtract any of the blue rectangles. And now there is a 7 in the ones place, so we have to take away 7 black circles. But the problem is we have 6 black circles. So we can take away 6 of them, but we still have 1 left over that we need to take away. So now this is the concept of borrowing. So we have to borrow 1 of the tens from the tens column. So we're going to cross out 1 of the blue rectangles, and that gives us 10 ones. And now we can take away that extra 1 that we need to have 7 that we take away. And then when we look to see what's left over, we have 100 left, 1 red square left, 4 blue rectangles in the tens place. So we have a 4, and then we have 9 ones left over. So our answer would be 149. Okay. All right. So I made this video to help parents if you run into this with Common Core. Teachers out there, what do you think of this? Is this really helping? Do you use it? I'd like to hear from you. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.